Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is find. Here's a picture of a man trying to find something. Here is find in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Find means discover or perceive by chance or unexpectedly. Find. Past progressive was finding, past found. Present progressive finding, present find, future will find. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find. Here, we will use the future tense. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find... What? What will she find? The recipe. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find the recipe. Why? Why will she find the recipe? Tao will find the recipe for Mike. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find the recipe for Mike. Why? Why will she find it? Tao will find the recipe for Mike so he can cook. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find the recipe for Mike so he can cook what? What will he cook? So he can cook fish. Let's build a sentence. Tao will find the recipe for Mike so he can cook fish. Why? Why will he cook fish? For dinner tonight. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the great work.